Today I will be updating you on my senior design group project. Yesterday we did our power calculations, which most of you know by now that I am not a power engineer, I am a computer engineer. So like the only thing I know about power is like just a few formulas. And so I did my best to try to keep up with everyone. We have a few power engineers on our team. We have like a controls guy, a digital guy, and I don't know what else. So I just kind of try to write down some stuff, and I just did the P equals IV thing, and then I multiplied them together, sorry, and then got some power for like certain parts, and then added them together, and I'm still not sure what I'm supposed to do with it. Uh, so you know how like when you're building a computer, you have to like get the power of your parts and like sum it up and then double that, and then that's the power supply you're gonna get. So that's what we're working on right now. We're working on getting the right battery and the right solar panel, and we're figuring out how we're gonna charge our whole system. So we have to like have power going into our microcontroller and into our pump and into our LCD screen and stuff like that. So yeah, our microcontroller that we did end up picking was the Raspberry Pi 2. It does take up more power than like the rest of the system. Like it's only like 10 watts, but it's more than like the zero 0.5 and the zero 0.2 watts of everything else. Let's see what else. For funding, update on the funding. I turned in our funding request about a week ago or 2 weeks ago, and they told me, Miss Imperial, we can only give you half of what you asked for. And I thought, half? What? This is such an expensive project, and we're like the first ones, and like every other project on campus like has been there for years and years, so they could just use their parts from last year, and we have to buy everything from like ground zero. And they just said, no, we can only give you half of that. And I said, okay. So we're just gonna have to like cut down on stuff. We have to like be very careful with our parts, not use them sparingly anymore. What else? Oh, and our professor gave us a lab to use because the other projects, they get to have their own room, and we just kind of met in our own labs. And then so yeah, we have a cool lab. I haven't gotten the keys to it yet, but I will have that by Thursday, and maybe I'll show you guys around. Okay, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, suggestions, or concerns, please type them below. Thank you.